The future is here, and it's powered by robotics. As artificial intelligence, AI, and advanced robotics continue to evolve, the line between humans and machines is blurring. Robots have moved beyond industrial applications and are now playing a pivotal role in our everyday lives, from helping us with household chores to providing companionship. In 2024, the most innovative personal robots have become smarter, more efficient, and, in some cases, almost human-like. This video will showcase the top personal robots of 2024 that are revolutionizing our daily routines and interactions. Without further ado, let's dive into the top 5 best personal robots of 2024. Amazon Astro. The smartest home assistant. Amazon Astro represents the next step in smart home integration, combining advanced AI with practical mobility. Unlike traditional home assistants like Alexa, Astro offers the ability to physically navigate through your home. Its design includes an integrated periscope camera, allowing it to monitor high-up spaces or check windows and countertops. Astro can be connected to a variety of Amazon services, including Ring for security and Alexa Guard for monitoring alarms. Key features: home security patrols. Astro can move autonomously around the house, using its sensors to avoid obstacles. It has cameras that provide a live feed to your phone, giving you peace of mind when you're away. Interactive personality. Astro is designed to be more personable than static devices, featuring expressive eyes on a screen and responding to voice commands with character and charm. It can even recognize specific users and greet them by name. Smart integration. Beyond security, Astro can perform tasks like setting up reminders, managing shopping lists, or delivering a snack to someone in another room. It uses Alexa's full capabilities, but adds the physical dimension of movement. Implications for the future. Astro signals a shift from stationary AI home assistants to mobile, autonomous units that can perform tasks in physical space. This progression hints at a future where robots will become integral to home security, automation, and even companionship. Elik, your personal wellness companion. Elik is more than just a robot. It's designed to foster well-being, especially for seniors living alone. Developed by Intuition Robotics, Elik's focus is on improving the quality of life by providing companionship, emotional support, and health management. It proactively engages users with suggestions for physical exercise, reminders to take medications, and conversations designed to reduce loneliness. This wellness robot can read users' emotions through speech patterns and respond with empathy, creating a sense of personalized care. Key features: conversational AI. Elik uses natural language processing to engage users in meaningful dialogue. It can talk about the weather, current events, or check how the user is feeling emotionally. Elik is designed to keep users mentally active and socially engaged, an essential feature for seniors at risk of isolation. Health management. Elik reminds users to take medications, schedule doctor appointments, and stay active. It tracks daily routines and health metrics, providing gentle nudges to keep the user on track with their health goals. Companionship focus. Elik is not just an assistant, but also a companion, checking in regularly with users and offering emotional support. This robot provides an emotional buffer against loneliness, making it a groundbreaking wellness tool for aging populations. Implications for the future. Elik demonstrates the growing role of robots in healthcare, particularly in elderly care. As populations age, robots like Elik will become more prevalent in providing both practical health assistance and emotional support. This marks a key development in human-robot interaction, especially in personal wellness. Tesla bot, Optimus. Your personal workforce. Elon Musk's Tesla bot, also known as Optimus, is among the most anticipated robotics innovations of the decade. Tesla bot is designed to perform tasks that are dangerous, repetitive, or mundane. Standing at 5'8" and weighing 125 pounds, it's built with human-like proportions and movements, which allows it to complete tasks such as lifting, moving objects, or assisting in industrial environments. Key features: human-like dexterity. Tesla bot can perform tasks that require precision, such as tightening a bolt or picking up fragile items. Its limbs are designed with human anatomy in mind, allowing for maximum flexibility and balance. AI autonomy. Powered by Tesla's full self-driving AI, Tesla bot can autonomously navigate through various environments, whether at home or in the workplace. It can recognize objects, obstacles, and people, allowing it to adjust its movements accordingly. Labor assistance. Tesla Bot is set to revolutionize industries by assisting in factories, homes, and even hazardous environments like construction sites. With a maximum speed of 5 miles per hour and the ability to carry 45 pounds, it can perform physically demanding jobs like moving equipment or assembling components. Implications for the future. Tesla Bot marks a significant leap in labor automation, potentially transforming industries by reducing the need for human workers in dangerous or repetitive jobs. While still in development, it shows the future where robots become crucial partners in the workforce, performing tasks previously limited to humans. This could drastically alter both domestic life and industrial operations. Shomi Cyberon. The future of human-robot interaction. Shomi Cyberon is a humanoid robot that merges cutting-edge AI with advanced robotics, designed to interact with humans in the most intuitive way possible. Cyberon can recognize up to 85 environmental sounds and 45 human emotions. It can talk, walk, and interact with objects in your home. Shomi envisions Cyberon as more than just a robotic assistant. It's a full-fledged AI companion capable of understanding and adapting to your needs. It can also autonomously navigate environments, making it ideal for personal use or as a highly capable home assistant. Why it stands out? Emotional recognition. Understands human emotions and adjusts its behavior accordingly. Highly mobile. Moves smoothly and interacts with the environment. Intelligent interaction. Capable of recognizing sounds, emotions, and responding appropriately. Robot Sophia 2024 edition. The most human-like robot yet. Sophia, a humanoid robot developed by Hanson Robotics, is arguably the most advanced and lifelike robot ever made. She has captivated the world with her human-like facial expressions and interactive capabilities. In 2024, Sophia is even more advanced, equipped with better emotional intelligence, AI, and the ability to hold more natural conversations. What sets Sophia apart is her ability to continuously learn and adapt based on human interaction. Whether it's discussing complex topics or responding to emotional cues, Sophia is pushing the boundaries of what personal robots can achieve. Why it stands out? Advanced AI, continuously learning and evolving, making conversations more natural and insightful. Human-like interaction, able to mimic facial expressions, understand emotions, and communicate effectively. Companion for the future. A truly intelligent and emotionally aware robot, making her ideal for companionship, public appearances, and even academic discussions. The rise of AI and robotics in our lives. The robots on this list are more than just machines. They are changing the way we live. Personal robots are designed to help us with daily tasks, provide companionship, and even assist with emotional and physical well-being. As AI continues to develop, personal robots will become more integrated into our everyday routines, and the line between humans and machines will continue to blur. From home security to emotional support and intelligent conversations, these robots represent the best in personal robotics for 2024. The future isn't just about robots doing our chores. It's about creating meaningful interactions between humans and machines. These robots reflect the promise of a world where technology truly enhances human life. Which robot are you most excited about? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more updates on the latest in robotics and technology. The evolution of personal robots is one of the most exciting technological advancements of our time. These robots represent the cutting edge of AI and robotics, and they are paving the way for a future where robots will be more than just tools. They will be companions, assistants, and perhaps even friends. As we look ahead, one thing is clear: the line between robots and humans is fading, and the possibilities for our future are limitless.